everybody. I'm Mrs. Maria Tamerta Santiago Marquez, 47 years of age, representing Maharlika! Representing Barangay Taro.
Banday!
Once again, I'm Wami Washington, and I'm very proud to present the City Chef Good evening, madlang people! Standing in front of you is Mrs. Criselda Domingo, representing Sitio Santa. As the saying goes, age doesn't matter. I hate you. My kids say that one is the greatest man because I raised them from my own self. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Teresita Nobia, presenting